everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angela Mix, and I'm so excited to be back with you guys. I know it's been a while and I apologize for the delay, but I'm back. I'm back and I'm better than ever. You know why? Because today I got a review just for you. Period. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Puerto Rico collection from Colorina Makeup Studio, located in Puerto Rico. They came out with this amazing collection to celebrate Puerto Rico and the Puerto Rican culture. Let me tell you, I cannot wait to see what these palettes have in store. I plan on doing a 6-part video series simply because there are 6 palettes in the bundle, and I want to be sure to give each and every one of them their day, their personalized review, individualized review, whatever. Each palette has their own color scheme, so none of the colors are repetitive. Each palette represents a different part of Puerto Rico. So let's get right to it. Like I said before, there are 6 palettes, each 24 shades. So you get 24 shades, honey. And each palette retails individually for $16.99. If you want to get all 6 eyeshadow palettes, the bundle is $90. And if you ask me, 24 shades times 6 for only $90. Honey, that's a steal, period. And if these shadows are as beautiful as they look in the pans, honey, it is definitely worth your coin. Now, the one that I'm going to be reviewing today for my first video is La Isla. She is very beautiful. As you can see, it's the Puerto Rican flag on a boat in La Playa. I'm pretty sure this is Crash Boat, maybe, not sure, don't quote me. But this is how it looks on the front. This is how it looks on the back. You have the shade names and all that right here. As you can see, it's a shiny color. It's like a glossy finish. And then when you go inside, you have the mirror key. I still have the plastic cover on here, so that's why it looks like that, excuse me. And then these are the shades. In this palette, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmery shades, and the rest are mattes. So I wanted to do a 6-part review because, as you can see, there are 6 palettes in the collection. These are the other ones: Flamboyant, La Garita, El Yunque, Yauco, y La Perla. And if you ever been to Puerto Rico, or you are Puerto Rican, you know that these places are very popular in Puerto Rico. Especially the Flamboyant, that is like the national tree or whatever. So you know that all this is very familiar to Puerto Rico and the Puerto Rican culture. Okay, so the one I'm doing today, like I said, is La Isla. Each one of the palettes has their own color scheme. They all have 24 shades. They all retail for $16.99, and the bundle is $90. So please, if you like what you see, if you like this review, then spend your coins because it's worth it, and you will be supporting a Puerto Rican business, a local Puerto Rican business. Thank you. So let me, I'm gonna swatch some of these for you guys. So I went ahead and prepped my arm with some foundation because I didn't want to just lay it on my skin, because obviously that's not how it's gonna look on your eye after you primed it. Okay, so those are all the shades. They're pretty pigmented. You know, I'm not gonna lie, they are a little powdery. Some of them, especially like the pastel looking shades, the more milky looking shades, those are the most powdery. So, you know, just be careful with that. Obviously, with the price point and everything, you're gonna get some fallout. It's normal. But let's get into this. Look, I'm gonna wash my arm and I'll be right back. We're gonna do a look with this palette. Okay, to get started with the eye look, we are gonna prep our eye lids with some concealer. You could use any concealer. I am using the one by e.l.f., the Camo 16-Hour Wear concealer. They look even to me. Alright, let me get some translucent powder. And you can get a dry sponge and just do that. You know, fallout happens. It doesn't mean that these shades are bad. It just means that you have to be careful when you do your makeup. If you guys hear laughter or children in the background, those are my sisters. So, just an FYI if you're wondering. As I get louder, I will try to get louder the way, and you know, the way I talk. And if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm not used to looking directly into the camera. So don't come for me. We're gonna use Trigueña. This baby girl right here, Trigueña, has a transition shade. Dust off and just work that all over the top of your lip. You know, for this shadow to be very loose or powdery, it actually blends out pretty nice. Yeah, it blends out pretty good. Like, I feel like as long as the product is buildable, you know, you can work with it. Just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. We're gonna do a blue color. We're gonna do a blue look. Let's just go for it. Okay. Let's just go for it, honey. Now we're gonna start off light because you don't want to go in too dark from the beginning. You want to go in light. So we're gonna use Olas right here. We're gonna work that into this area of the eye. As you can see, she is a little chalky. She a little ashy. So this shade in particular may not work for all skin types. As in for all skin complexions, it may not work. Okay, so that's how it looks with just 2 little dips of product, which is not bad. It's not bad, but it's not what we're going for. So we're gonna keep building in color. We're gonna go in a little darker with Viaje, which is this corner shade right here. But first, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And don't worry about that area right there. I know it's like very defined, but we're gonna blend that out in a minute. Just give me some time, honey. Give me some time. Same thing with the other side. Next, you're gonna grab a brush like this, and you're gonna go in with, and then the darkest blue shade in the palette, and we're just gonna work that into our crease. This one from Anastasia, it came in the Jackie Aina palette. I'm just gonna use that one to just blend out the edges. This eye always looks way better than this eye. Okay, now that I did my cut crease, I am going to go in with a brush like this, and we're gonna start with the liner section first. That is actually going to be this red right here. It's called Bandera. This red right here. And we're gonna do our liner first. Okay. And you want to use a packing motion because these are super powdery. Let's go in with this Barbie pink right here. Up, right here. I like that better. Hey, this look actually doesn't look that bad. Comment below and let me know what you think. I still have to do the bottom lash line and blush, lip gloss, mascara, lashes, and we're gonna see how this look turns out. And of course, we're gonna do a little inner corner moment. Let's see. I'm gonna use this very light yellow as the inner corner shade. You just want to brush like this or to get into that inner corner. Can't really see it. Let's try this golden tone yellow. The one right here. I think I like that. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing, same order on this eye, going with that very light yellow. How come it looks better on this side? Maybe because the lighting is a little different. And then we're gonna go in with that golden yellow. Okay, now for the bottom lash line, we're gonna get a little brush like this, get into that bottom lash line, and I'm gonna take this dark teal right here. I think it's called Puerto. Yeah, Puerto. I'm just gonna dig a little bit, blow it off, and go in. Now you don't want to take it all the way in, you want it to be kind of right here. Yes, just like that. Same thing on the other eye. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Alright. Okay, so that is the eye look. I'm going to pop on some lashes, mascara, and blush. For blush, I'm actually going to try to use a color from this palette. So, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Preciosa. I'll be using a bronzer from Milani in the shade Soleil. It is a baked bronzer. Okay, get an angle brush like this. And warm up the face a little bit. Other side. Around the forehead, underneath the chin area, right there. Perfect. And then we're gonna use the same brush and we're gonna do the blush. preciosa. Okay. You want to work it into your bronzer, just so it looks even. Need a little bit more on this side, and then working it into your bronzer, and that looks amazing. Period. Okay. I'm gonna be using this Cover FX liquid highlighter. Okay, so I went ahead and applied a little bit right here. On this side, I kind of went a little too much down by your chin, button of your nose, do the leftover right here, and right there. Okay. Now moving on to mascara. Yes, honey. She cute. Alright, for the lips, I'm gonna be using Kylie lipstick in the color 20. She's pretty old, but I'm just gonna use this as a liner. You don't have to worry about being precise. Alright, and you're gonna use your favorite gloss over it. Mine is the one from Fenty Beauty. It's the Universal Gloss. And you're gonna mix those two together. Very pretty. So at first I wasn't too sure of the eyeshadows, but I think they're holding up pretty well. You know, for them to just be 16 Zoelas. They're doing pretty good. Okay. Let me part my hair. Okay. So this is how the look came out. I'm obviously gonna go do my hair, and I will be back to give you guys the whole glamified look. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, you know, if you guys liked this palette, you'd go out and purchase it. If not, then, you know, thank you for watching. But I'll be back with my hair done. Probably insert some pictures of the look after I do my hair and everything. But thank you for being here with me. I really do appreciate it. Please like this video. Please comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Let me know if there's something that I should work on. I know my lighting isn't the best and I don't always look directly in front of the camera. So those are some things that I need to work on. Other than that, please let me know your thoughts. Is there something about the way that I did the look that you don't like or that I should work on? Please let me know. Other than that, if you like my content and you want to see more of me, please subscribe and turn your post notifications on. I will be doing more videos, and I have 5 more videos of this series, so if you want to see more of me, please subscribe. Thank you once again. I'll see you guys in the next one.